Hello students of 10th standard. Let us continue first chapter history. Now the next topic is historical research method. Now we have to do so many research, find out the facts, whether the facts were true or false, and we have to reveal the truth. And we have to collect all this data and we have to store it for the future generation to come, so that our future generation can know about our history. Now, historical research method. First one is examining relevant reference of the available material, historical information. Now, second, collecting historical information, highlighting the processes that leads to historical transactions, carrying out comparative analysis. Third, understanding the reference regarding time and space of the given historical event and also various conceptual framework used in historical research method. Fourth, formulating relevant questions in view of the historical reference. Fifth one, formulating hypothesis. Sixth, critically examining of various sources of history. Now these are the different points why history has to be kept in a formulated manner in a very chronological order. Now, methods of various disciplines are useful in historical research. Now, there are so many methods of research in the history. Now, first one, as I told you, that is archaeological. Then, archival science, manuscriptology, epigraphy, study of the inscriptions, analysis of lettering style, linguistic, then numismatics, that is study of coins, genealogy, study of lineage, etc. I will explain you all these terms, okay, from archaeology, archival science, manuscriptology, epigraphy, then analyzing of lettering style, then linguistic, numismatic, then genealogy in very simple form. Now, this first one, as I told you, archaeology. Archaeology, that is the study of human history and prehistory through excavation of sites and the analysis of artifact and other physical remains. Then go archival science. Archival science means what you have achieved it and how you can keep your documentations or collections in a record. Okay. Now this archival science is the study and theory of building and curating, which are collections of documents, records and recordings and data stored devices which can be able to assess them later. Then manuscript or manuscriptology, the study of history and literature through the use of hand written documents. मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट का मतलब है जो हाथ में लिखे हुआ और उसको स्टडी करके उसका अर्थ क्या है वो डॉक्यूमेंट को बोलते हैं मैन्यूस्क्रिप्टोलॉजी. द नेक्स्ट इज एपिग्राफी. एपिग्राफी, it is study of inscriptions of writings, identifying, clarifying their meaning, classifying their uses. according to dates and cultural context, drawing conclusion. समझ में आया? हिंदी में बताती हूँ. एपिग्राफी मीन्स स्टडी ऑफ इंस्क्रिप्शन. अलग अलग भाषा के बारे में पढ़ाई करना, वो कैसा लिखा जाता है उसका मीनिंग समझना, कब लिखा गया था, कैसे लिखते हैं, कैसे उसको ड्राइंग करते हैं, उसके बारे में समझ के फिर रिकॉर्डिंग में रखना. देन लिंग्विस्टिक. व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग? द स्टडी ऑफ लैंग्वेजेस एंड इट्स स्ट्रक्चर. बोले तो अलग अलग भाषा को पढ़ना और वो कैसे लिखा जाता है, उसका स्ट्रक्चर कैसा है, कैसे लिखते हैं, उसके बारे में जानना. नेक्स्ट इज लेटरिंग स्टाइल, एनालाइजिंग ब्रांच. लेटरिंग स्टाइल बोले तो क्या है? एक एक अक्षर को कैसे लिखा जाता है. यस, किस प्रकार से लिखते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज लेटरिंग स्टाइल. न्यूमिस्मैटिक बोले तो क्या है? दैट इज स्टडी ऑफ कॉइन्स. कॉइन्स किस मेटल से बनाया गया था, उसमें क्या क्या है, कौन से समय से कौन से समय तक कॉइन्स यूज़ किया गया था, उसको बोलते हैं न्यूमिस्मैटिक. दैट इज स्टडी ऑफ कॉइन्स. देन नेक्स्ट इज जीनियोलॉजी. That is study of lineage. A line of descent traced continuously from an ancestor, or we can say about evolution, development from our earlier form. Okay, these were the meaning which I have explained you just now. Next I will continue next period.